Thank you for your time. My name is Matthew Philpott. I am the Chief Officer for Sales and Marketing at NUBURU. NUBURU can be reached at sales@nuburu.com if you have questions. We specialize in providing high brightness blue lasers for micromachining, precision manufacturing. Specifically, what we've really uncovered over the last year is that the blue laser does something amazing when it comes to ablation of polymers. Historically, people have relied on CO2 lasers and UV lasers, and they've always been stuck. The CO2 laser is quick with removal rate, but has a lot of heat affected zone damage, a lot of delamination, if you will. But then on the other side, you get a clean cut with this UV laser. However, that happens way too slowly for mass production. Very small absorption happens. So this blue laser with the high brightness and the scanner integration is not only good for ablation, it's also good for welding. We all know that. But focusing for a moment on the ablation as a new area that hasn't really been explored before, we're seeing great traction with EV applications. That's stator motor, wire preparation, and also bus bar cleaning. This removes an enamel at a rate at which before was only possible with a CO2, but with the trade-off you don't get the cleanliness. Now we have the cleanliness as a result of that blue wavelength you couldn't achieve in the past. So it's a great application, but it's more than that. We can also ablate polymers that are important for the medical and datacom space. So PFAs, Teflon-based polymers, we can also ablate, whether they are foamed PFA, white PFA, or blue PFA. We can cover it all with this laser. A great example of this comes from data center AI applications. You need a really high bandwidth connector. We're doing the ablation of the insulation, which is a foam PFA, and we're doing the wire weld itself, getting rid of the solder so that we can increase the bandwidth of that connection as well. A critical thing if you're talking about AI applications where it's all about throughput on the calculation. So net, we're able to do the ablation and the welding for a lot of these connector applications that otherwise hasn't had a solution outside of ultrasonic or soldering, right? So we're getting rid of the soldering, getting rid of the ultrasonic, so the welds are stronger and they have higher conductivity than ever before. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Happy to respond to you quickly at sales@nuburu.com. Thank you.